Okay, so we're in Taipei and we're in this area called Zhongshan, and at this moment in time I just really feel like I'm in the streets of Seoul, and I'm going to be walking down that way and kind of explain to you why it feels that way. A little bit of Tokyo too, but I can feel like a little, but it's like really big flashbacks of when I used to live in Seoul. Anyways, we're in Zhongshan, Taipei. I'm going to just walk all the way down this way and we're going to film it and just kind of show you what I mean, and I'll kind of express about that too. Alright, welcome to Taipei. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, here we're in Taipei. I don't know, for some reason it just kind of has like, I guess in Seoul you also have these wide roads, these intersections like that. It's interesting, there's like a lot of Japan references to those. So there's like Caesarea, Japanese chain, and then of course there's Daiso over there as well. So there's like a Tokyo, but more of a Korea vibe to me, more than anything. It's quite interesting. But then there's its own twist too, because all these bikes kind of remind me more of China, because China has a lot of those kind of bike culture. Yes. Anyways, we're in Zhongshan. We're just going to be walking by, kind of past the station, just keep on going. I just kind of get a feel for this area. Let me see what this is. Yeah, see, this is kind of all kinds of different unique things. I'm going to pop up over on this side. So yeah, this is Zhongshan of Taipei. So it's let me see, just to give you a little reference, it's kind of near the Chinese New Year, so it's kind of holiday time. It's actually Friday. I'll put the time down below and the date so you can see exactly what it is, but just for references so people can see, it's let's see, camera wise it's not really, I'm gonna get better camera view up here in a second, so if you're waiting for that, just hang on. Unless you like the hats, look, it's kind of cool. Have any snacks? Okay, so right here there's going to be a side street, and I think it's a shopping mall. Let's see what's here. This kind of reminds me so much of Seoul. It's kind of crazy, like this stuff, like those brick houses, just the way the streets are. I guess Tokyo kind of has that too. You could walk down any one of these streets right here. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna keep staying on our focus, which is this one. I want to stay on the main road. It's a bit cold here today, as you can see. We're at Zhongshan station. We got some stuff over here. So this is the station right here, Zhongshan. Let me just get a little closer so you can see it. There you go. Got lanterns over there. Let's go walk over there. Got, sounds like Taiwanese music, I guess. Kind of highlight some of this, I guess. Okay. Look at these crowds. Gonna be getting into some crowded areas right here, coming up here. I don't know which way to go. I guess we're gonna go like that. It's a gourmet guy. That reminds me a lot of, they have that in both Tokyo and Seoul. Huh. There's a Buddhist monk. I guess there's actually like the Buddhist monk and orange is not so much in Korea. Think of Thailand actually for that, but okay. I'll just kind of show you. Look at all those people. kind of everywhere here. Okay, so we're gonna head up this way. So yeah, Zhongshan. There's a station up there. I got a coffee shop up there called Taipei Milk King. It's kind of cool. That kind of stuff reminds me a lot of Seoul. Like this kind of stuff where you can be up on the second floor, kind of look down and see these streets like this. This kind of street reminds me a lot of Seoul. That does, these big streets right here. I know it's definitely 100% Taipei. And anybody that's more familiar with Taipei than Seoul would say that Seoul looks more like Taipei. But I lived in Korea for a long time, so but this sort of stuff looks more like Japan. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Okay. Kind of interesting. It's actually a little bit chilly out. Let me just walk over on this side. So I guess it's handicap. I used to see that a lot in Korea too. I guess I can't say Taipei looks like Seoul, but Seoul and Taipei have a lot of similarities. Maybe that's the better way to say it. Starbucks. So I don't know if I'll go down too much further, but we are in Zhongshan, and we are giving another little taste of Taipei. The buses remind me of the bus stops. Everything does. So weird. Anyways, Taipei, kind of Zhongshan here, on one of the main streets here. Okay, that was another street of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.